Hi everyone! Today we'd like to go over how to clean your mousepad, as well as answer some frequently asked questions. First off, ZOWIE mousepads do feature distinctive material and craftsmanship. The base of the mousepad is made from high-density material, while the top surface comes in different cloths, each with its own glide feeling. And thus, some of the commonly suggested cleaning methods don't apply to ZOWIE mousepads. Think of it like your shirt or jersey. It tends to get a buildup of dirt from sweat and dust after a while of frequent use. The grime will cause the mousepad texture to deteriorate and possibly even affect mouse functions. So, you should definitely consider cleaning your mousepad on a regular basis. Here's how. Give it a good shake to get rid of the larger pieces of dust and unwanted particles. Next, take a damp, clean piece of cloth or wet wipe that is alcohol-free to wipe down the mousepad. Then, allow it to air dry in a well-ventilated place. We don't recommend using a blow dryer or fan, as this could introduce more particles onto the recently cleaned surface. The following cleaning methods for typical clothing items do not apply to ZOWIE mousepads. Use of detergent, scrubbing or scrubbing with a brush will ruin the mousepad. And throwing it in the washing machine is definitely a no-go. Here's why. The fabric on the top of the mousepad is laminated to the base material with adhesives in a heating process. Detergent or any of the previously mentioned methods will likely damage the texture and cause the adhesive to deteriorate, resulting in the peeling of the top layer away from the base. Also, mousepads, like our clothing items, will inevitably wear out after prolonged use. You may feel the glide change gradually over time. Ultimately, usage frequency and how intensely you play with the mousepad will determine the level and speed of deterioration. Also, avoid placing heavy items or objects with sharp edges on the mousepad. For example, leaving the monitor base on the mousepad too long could result in permanent marks. Here's some do's and don'ts for flattening mousepads with different materials. For those that purchased a ZOWIE mousepad recently, it might be more curled initially than it should be due to the duration in shipment. For the SR series, try rolling the mousepad up in reverse and placing it back in the original box it came in. Remember to leave the end of the mousepad against the marked spot on the box. Leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. Afterwards, if the corner areas still feel puffy, curl the pad upwards to further even the corners out. But be careful not to fold the mousepad all the way back. For the TFX series, use an iron. Place the mousepad on a flat surface. Keep a consistent motion and don't linger in the same spot for more than 5 seconds. Press down gently and apply light pressure to the more puffy parts of the mousepad. Make sure to turn off the steam function while ironing. And keep the temperature under 110 degrees Celsius. Thanks for watching. And as always, feel free to DM us if you have any questions.